Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off pure mode in PolyBuzz. So first thing you have to do is open up your app just like this, and you're going to click right below your screen on your profile. Once you click on your profile, you're going to click on the setting gear right above your screen. Once you click on that, you're going to see where it's written right below promo code. You're going to see pure mode. So you actually have to click on that, turn it off, and click on confirm, and it's going to restart the app, right? And you're going to see that it's no more blurry in the app anymore, right? And it has been censored off, and also the pure mode has been turned off. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.